Coming to you today, showcasing our newest listing at 5613 Sugarbush Lane in Rockville, Maryland. This is a gorgeous, timeless, and elegant, true colonial in the Timberlawn community of Montgomery County. You're moments away to any amenity you would like, fine dining, and easy access to schools, park. Plus, this home itself is a part of the Penbrooke Community Association, where you have access to three pools, a spa. You have tennis courts, pickleball courts, all within walking distance to the house, as this beautiful community has beautiful landscaping throughout and concrete sidewalks. I'm just going to give you a quick open house tour here on the main level, where you'll see behind me there a beautiful great room with gas log fireplace with remote. The brick accent detail is simply stunning to be a true eye catcher. We've got recessed lighting throughout the whole main level here. You have two French standard double doors that lead out to a long backyard deck that has electric, as well as working intercom throughout the whole home. This property was built in 1989 and has just over 4,400 square feet of space. We've got the original owners who have maintained this home to a T. You are going to love all the accents and attention to detail they've put into keeping this a true family home. We've got a great big entertainer's kitchen with center island. We also have a bonus nook area that has a wine refrigerator, which would be great for a dry bar or for a coffee nook. We're going into a formal dining room area here, which also has the double doors that lead out to your backyard deck. We have a gorgeous sunroom that just got new carpet. So step down into this beautiful sunroom with loads of natural light. That would be great as a playroom, formal sitting space. But we also have a front flex room here, going back up into, that would be perfect for an office if you've got a nice grand piano to play, or put in here a music room, a library. Just beautiful home and a great big grand foyer. So if you are someone that loves to entertain, this is definitely a true first impression that you're gonna wanna make, because it's open to the second level. Beautiful landscaping outside. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. We've got 3 full bathrooms, 2 upstairs, including in the primary suite, a half bath here on the main level, and then downstairs is finished as well, with one of those full baths being downstairs and 2 finished additional spaces. So 5613, there's lots to see and not a lot of time to show you, but I'd love for you to learn more. So go ahead and check it out, or never hesitate to reach out with questions.